Impact.
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 Impact can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, impact can mean 1. The striking of one body against another, collision. 2. The force or energy of a collision of two objects. 3. A forced impinging. 4. A significant or strong influence, an effect. As a verb, impact can mean 1. To collide or strike, the act of impinging. 2. To compress, to compact, to press into something or pack together. 3. To influence, to affect, to have an impact on. 4. To stamp or impress onto something.
But their actual impact